What's up, guys? It's Charles from Plain Jane Cars, and I'm back with another vlog. This one, I promise, is gonna be short. I said the last one was gonna be short, and I looked, it was like 18 minutes long. I hope you watched it. It was pretty cool going out the front wheel drive performance, putting the SRT4 in the blog. This is a little bit different. I'm in an empty room in my house, but it has some pretty cool boxes in it. Check this out. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw my post that I actually reposted from RW Carbon. I actually got to partner with those guys. I'm doing a full carbon conversion on the M4, and I'm gonna show you the carbon tonight. So let's unbox it, and I'll show you and talk you through what exactly is gonna happen to the M4. Thanks for joining us, check it out. The best part about getting new stuff is opening it up. When RW actually posted the pictures to their Instagram, they didn't warn me, so I saw it just like you guys saw it. I said, oh my goodness. So this should be the rear diffuser. And it is. And I've had a few people ask me, you know, why did I change things up? Why did I go with new carbon? Nothing wrong with the carbon that I have on the car. The front lip actually came completely off. I was driving through a rainstorm that we had, so I had to replace it anyway. And when I did the rear diffuser like 2 years ago now, a lot of the people that I saw had the M Performance. Either they had the actual real one, or the replica one. And it just looked plain to me. And I looked and looked and looked, and I saw RW Carbon had the 360 design. And I got it. I thought it looked cool, and I'm not saying I was the first one with it. But then it really looked cool to a lot of other people, so I started seeing it pop up more and more. And I mean, the F82, there's thousands of them literally. So how do you look unique? This is it. So I do want my car to be somewhat unique. It's still an F82 and it's gray, so how does it stand out? Well, I went with the exotic, is what RW Carbon calls it. And it was really cool working with the guys over at RW putting this together. And man, they wrapped the crap out of this. Diffuser. You can see the forged pattern on it. When I talked about the concept of going to all forged carbon to one of my car club members, he was like, well, that's only for exotic cars. How's that gonna look on a BMW? And I was surprised to see there's quite a few BMWs, even F30s that have full forged carbon conversions done to them with full forged carbon. They start with it. But this is different. The exotic, it doesn't have, and I kind of want to keep this in decent shape because I'm taking all these pieces to my buddy, Brent at Active Auto Detailing. He's actually going to ceramic coat this because the car is completely ceramic coated. And we're going to make sure that these parts are protected too. But if you look at it, this is the middle of the diffuser. So this is like right between the two tailpipe housings. And it doesn't have those normal streaks or whatever they're called. It's just a smooth, could you, your shadow, bro? It's just smooth here. So it's gonna look completely different. I haven't seen anybody in Houston with this diffuser yet. I definitely haven't seen anybody with it in the forged carbon pattern. This, I wanna say I ordered probably late October, early November, so it's like 8 to 10 weeks. And we'll do the front diffuser next, you'll see that. Well, let's look at the wing. Look how gorgeous that pattern is. And I don't care what anybody says. I mean, no, it doesn't look cool on the Nissan Altima. It's gonna look cool on the F82. All right, so we got that piece. We got the diffuser. Let's take a quick look at the front lip. And I haven't opened the lip. I got the lip probably a month or so ago. These are actually, let's look at these real quick. Here's one of the splitters actually. That's the front, the driver's side splitter. So you know the F82s have those curvatures. Of course we did those in forged carbon too, so they would sit right against the the splitter itself. And let's grab the front lip. See what it looks like. this. This is my first time looking at it, you guys. I'm so easily excited. To me, all the other parts make the car. Nothing makes the front of an F80 or F82 like the lid. It changes the whole look, the entire look of the car, the front lid. And to me, that is the most aggressive lip that's made. Now, some people would say the GTS is aggressive. It does stick out maybe a ½ inch or so more than this one does. But I just love the curvature of this, especially with the diffusers. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this wasn't too long. I'm actually gonna take these parts over to Brent, my buddy at Active Auto Detailing. He's gonna get the ceramic coat on them, and we'll vlog that piece of it during the drop off. And hopefully, the car will be ready soon with the air ride, and we can get it over to Ted for the next upgrade, which I think I'm excited about all of it. I'm excited about the total build, but we also have to get the headlights out, because one other thing we're doing is working with Mod Emporium, doing a headlight conversion. So that will be a separate vlog. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you can, like, if you haven't, subscribed. We'll do more of these short compressed build vlogs on the car as parts get delivered, as the car gets put together. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram will be in the description below. So I have Plain Jane M4. That is for the car specifically. So even though it started with the M4, we have the SRT4 on there. We'll put stuff about the Ram on that page. And then we have Plain Jane Cars, which is more for the YouTube page. So you'll see a lot of just my video stuff. So a lot of other people's cars that are nice enough to let me and my friends film their cars, doing some of the drone photography and stuff like that. Thanks again. See you guys next time. Peace.